Hey you guys, welcome back. Welcome to another New at Tuesday morning this week. So those of you who have been on my channel for a while know the drill. It's my haul and then my winner for my New at Tuesday morning and then the showings in the store. Okay, not very much this week. It's going to be a short clip. A lot of these items were not on the store that I filmed. So stay tuned for that, and remember you guys that the winner announced in this video is winning the Snow and Cocoa goodies. It was a stamp set, some tags, the little frames, and some tassels. So congratulations to the winner. It has already been picked. It'll be right after this. And for this week, you guys, for this video, I will be doing a giveaway, and it will be this stamp. Really nice stamp, you guys. The let me show you. Oh my God. Look at that broom. Super long. It's really a great size, around 6 inches. So really pretty stamp, you guys, and it's from Graphic 45. Okay, look at the owls. Super cute. Look at that hat. So I was gonna do the I was gonna give away some of the Hooray items that I found this week, because that's what I usually do, whatever I find. But since Halloween is around the corner, I want to give out the stamp first. Okay, that way whoever wins will get it in time to play around with Halloween. I did find another one for myself, so I will leave the Hooray collection for next video. Okay, I'll do that as a giveaway. I will do the 6x8 paper, the stickers, and some ephemera. Okay, so let's leave these items for my other New at Tuesday morning giveaway. Okay, I just want to get that stamp out to whoever wins so they can play around with it. Alright, so let's start with my haul. I did find more in Snow and Cocoa. I did find the washi tape. Really cute. And some of these pom-poms. Super big. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I love the colors on these. And then I did find more of these wreaths. They're puffy. And the price is not that bad. And then I did end up picking up some of these little Christmas trees, the pink ones. Don't know if I will be using those this year. I hope so. Okay, so let's start with the things that I found. Really excited to find this collection. I don't have anything of this collection, so very excited that I think I found just about everything that they came out with at Tuesday morning. I think that maybe there's another couple of things that go to this collection, but it's not out out at Tuesday morning. Okay. So here is the ephemera. Great price, $1.99, and you get 40 pieces. And this is all the pieces that you get. These don't have like to open from the bottom. So you get tags, pretty big size. I love that silver. You know, this collection, you guys, you know those these hearts from the All Heart collection that we found a while back? They go great with this collection. The silver matches great. It's just these are like these are really thick resin pieces, but they're really glittery, really pretty. So they go really good with this collection. That way you guys can play around with those if you find this stuff. Okay, has that really pretty silver and pink, really pretty. Let me see. Okay, let me show you a little bit of what's in it. That's really cute. So you do get quite a bit of pieces in here to play around with. Okay. And the other pieces, these are really big. They're tags. Look at that llama. An ostrich. Let's have some glitter. So this is the first time that I have seen the ephemera. Really cute. So really cute ephemera, you guys. Okay, we'll put that aside. I did find another one. And then look at these stickers. These are so cute. This one's, I did find 2 of those. Really cute, you guys, and the price is not that bad. I think they're a good price. This is a gold holographic, and the quality of the stickers are really good, and they give you a sample there in the back. So really cute. I did find 2 of those guys, and then these puffy stickers are adorable. Look at that little guy. And you know, this is so, like, you can make girl birthday cards or boy birthday cards, and they just blend really good. And the price is not that bad. Really cute. So I did find 2 of those. And then here's the stickers, $1.99, which is a great price. You get a lot of the happy birthday and some other sentiments on there. And then you do get more of those silver stickers. And I really like that they have these stickers on there. So you get an extra sheet. See? So really good, you guys. I really like, I think this is, you get a really good deal with these for $1.99. You get extra stickers. Okay, and that's the back. So I did find 2 of those. And then these thickers are, they're just really pretty, you guys. Really good quality. $2.49. I think it's a little pricey, but they're really pretty. Make sure when you pick up, make sure the letters line up good with the actual, you know, that the letters are lined up good, because I did see a pack that wasn't lined up, so keep an eye on for that. So I did find, actually I found 3 of these. And then for the stickers, I found, let me show you the other stickers that I found, and then we'll get to paper and cards. These are, they have that really pretty silver holographic. You see that? Really pretty, you guys. And the price is not that bad, $1.99. You do get 73 stickers. Those little banners are really cute. Here's the back. There's that little cute bear again. The shine on this is just really pretty, you guys. You see that? I don't want to, sorry about the glare, but I just want to show you that holographic. So really cute, you guys. I did find 3 of those. Thought the prices were great on that. Oh, and I did find more of the Maggie Home stickers. I've shown you guys these a while back. Found 3 more, and I did pick up. Those are really hard to find, so I saw them and I was like, I need to pick them up. So now to the chipboard. Super excited that I found the chipboard. It's really rare that you find a lot of pieces to one collection. So super excited. I like that they added some sequins. They have some silver sequins, some of the pieces do. So that's another great idea, you guys, to add to your ephemera pieces or some of your stickers. You can add some of the silver. So really cute. And let's see if I can do this without bumping into the... So the price is, it's $3.19, you guys. It is a little pricey than the normal that we're used to paying, but only picked up 2. But it's really cute. This chipboard is really nice. And I didn't mind paying the $3 for it. Okay, so I did find 2 of those. And let me get to the cards. I found 2 card sets. They are $4.99. And you do get all of these. And you get the envelopes and all that stuff. These are a pain to open, so I'm not going to open up. You do get 20 cards. Okay. So I did find 2 of those, guys, and let's get to the paper. I found 2 of the 6x8 paper packs. Let me get this out of the way. Let me show you. Okay. Does have some this one doesn't have the holographic on there, but some pages do. Get that one. Okay, did find 2 of those. And then the 12x12, you do get, I think you get 2 of each on the 12x12 pack. Hold on, you guys. Really excited to have found the 12x12 as well. Like I said, it's really rare to find a lot of pieces to the one collection. I love the colors on these, on this paper pack. It's really vibrant. Okay, and this one doesn't have holographic images, just these cut aparts. So then it just repeats. Okay, so really cute. And I think that's it, you guys. That's all that I found. Really excited to have found this collection, like I said. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm Crafting with NC Invites. I did posted all of these things while I was finding. And don't forget to read my description box for the chance to enter on my weekly giveaways. And I have a really exciting video coming up on Sunday for my Silhouette Sunday. So stay tuned for that. I will do a little sneak peek on my Instagram. And really excited for this Sunday's video, you guys. I did something that I thought I wasn't able to do, that I've been wanting to do. So stay tuned, okay? So don't forget to watch. Hello, you guys. Welcome back. This puzzle is really pretty. Like I said, you guys, there's not much on this cart. You know, I said in my video that some of the Hooray items were not at this store. So I think sorry about that. There is a couple stickers on here, so this is a nice little kit. This Bo Bunny paper is new. I haven't seen it at our stores. 12 by 12. And they do have a lot to this collection. A lot of the Brads and ephemera. These I had a couple last week and I forgot to show. So a lot of this stuff, you guys, has been around. I think last fall we had this. These are a good buy. We seem to be getting lots of repeats, but it's okay. If you didn't find the first time around, hope you guys find it at your stores. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, you guys, Crafting with Nancy Invites. Here's the stickers that I said I didn't find in this store, but this is the only things that I found at this store where I was filming, and then the rest were at another store. So it's kind of sad that we don't get the whole same items as other stores, that we have to go around and look to see if there's more pieces to a collection. But it's okay.